Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. We're going to visit the Park, which is a little park nestled between the New York Hotel as well as the Park MGM. I like visiting the park because sometimes you just want to get away from the Strip for a few moments. Sometimes I'll grab a quick bite at a fast food place. There's a Shake Shack right at the beginning of the park. And I take the lunch into the park where there's lots of chairs and tables and lots of shade, which is important obviously. When I'm on this side of the Strip, this is the place I usually come when I want a couple moments of rest and relaxation. When I'm on the other side of the Strip, I'll stop in at the Flamingo Habitat for the same thing. Two very different parks, though. If you saw the Flamingo Habitat video here on the New York channel, you see that it's very tropical and lots of wildlife and birds as well. The park we're in now is more urban, or more New York, if you will. It's got a lot of concrete, a lot of steel, some wood, some trees that are very planned out, unlike the Habitat, which everything is more natural. Which one do I like more? I like them both. Depends on what mood I'm in. So come on, take a little walk with me. Maybe we'll have a beer at the beer garden up ahead. Coming up ahead here is the Hello Kitty Cafe. It says, come visit the Hello Kitty pop-up cafe and enjoy a super cute collection of delicious treats and collectible merchandise exclusive to this location. And right behind the Hello Kitty Cafe is the Park Theater, part of the Park MGM Hotel and Casino Complex. The Park Theater is the second largest theater on the Las Vegas Strip, first being Zappos Theater on the other side. And of course, I'm not going to include the T-Mobile Arena, which is straight ahead, simply because it's not a theater, it's an arena, and it obviously seats a lot more. I think it's 20,000. It's home of the Golden Knights, the hockey team here in Las Vegas. Some of the past acts here at the Park Theater are Bruno Mars, Lady Gaga, Aerosmith, Janet Jackson, Ricky Martin, Cher, the Jonas Brothers, Stevie Wonder, Queen, and Adam Lambert. Britney Spears has a show called Domination, whose opening date is yet to be determined. There's a little drama going on in her camp. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. We passed a few restaurants and bars on the left-hand side, but no worry, we're going to get closer to them on the way back to the Strip. And it's a short video, but I just want to get a chance to show you both sides of this park from front to back. So the website for the park describes it as an immersive outdoor destination for dining and entertainment. An eclectic blend of restaurants, bars, and entertainment makes this the pulse that combines the New York, the Park MGM Las Vegas, and the T-Mobile Arena into one community. All of the venues are outfitted with outdoor patio seating to make everyone feel like they're part of the action. The art and horticultural programs for the park are inspired by the desert landscape, which creates a vibrant and unique ambiance that is unlike anything else on the Strip, and yes, I'll give them that. Well, this is larger than life. Bliss Dance, the name of this sculpture, is a breathtaking 40-foot tall sculpture of a dancing woman celebrating the strength of a woman who is both safe and present. I don't know why, but every time I pass this sculpture, Kardashian pops into my brain, and that's something that normally doesn't happen. And straight ahead is Toshiba Plaza, which is right out front of the T-Mobile Arena. Again, that's home of the Golden Knights, the Las Vegas hockey team. Up ahead is the back end of the New York Hotel and Casino, if you will, and the roller coaster, which is called the Big Apple Coaster. Part of that can be seen here as well. Here we have a nice water feature, and there's quite a few of them throughout the park. We're going to start heading back towards the Strip now, and we'll walk along the restaurant bar side. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. On the right here is Sake Rock, inspired by Japan's vibrant pop culture. Servers doubling as entertainers invite guests to partake in restaurant-wide camaraderie. Expect the unexpected, including restaurant-wide sake bombs, impromptu dance parties, and lip-sync serenades. I've never been to Sake Rock, but now that I've visited the website, it's on my bucket list. Coming up next is California Pizza Kitchen, which they claim is the authority in creative dining with a California vibe. All the pizzas here are hand-tossed, hearth-baked, and there's tons of toppings you can decide on. There are several CPKs here in the area. I know there's one in the Mirage as well as the airport up the road. Next up, Beer House. Hang out and have a few. A fresh take on a classic beer hall where an artfully curated menu ensures both beer nerds and casual drinkers will find their favorites. Grab a cold brew, play some bar games, and make some friends on the outdoor patio. And by the way, you can play shuffleboard inside. Keep in mind if you're seeing a show or going to a game at the Park Theater or T-Mobile Arena that these bars and restaurants are in a perfect location for a pre-game cocktail or dinner, or maybe after the game or show. Also coming up here on the right is one of the entrances to the New York Hotel and Casino. I believe this entrance takes you right towards the showroom here, which is where I saw Zumanity. Unfortunately, that Cirque du Soleil show has been permanently closed. Wah, wah. Here we have Bruxy, the original fried chicken and waffle sandwich. Light, crispy waffle instead of bread, crazy delicious sandwiches. Bruxy was founded by two waffle-obsessed chefs. Everything is made from scratch here with the best ingredients. Everything, even the cola. And who does that? Some more from the website. Throughout the world, beautiful and engaging public spaces have become the trademark of the finest cities, and Las Vegas is no exception. MGM Resorts has reimagined the traditional pedestrian experience by creating a dynamic destination located just off the famed Las Vegas Strip. Whether you're looking for a spot to gather with friends or to grab a quick bite before an epic show, the park and T-Mobile Arena offer something for everybody. Discover the energy and excitement of Las Vegas's newest must-see neighborhood. By the way, all these sculptures and water features and trees light up beautifully at night. The fountain that we're walking by right now lights up beautifully, just like a rainbow at night. I'll do a night walk here at the park in a video coming up. And while I have a moment, shout out to Wise Malik, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in my latest Atlantic City Harrah's video. Good job, Wise Malik. On the left here we have Shake Shack, a very fast-growing restaurant. They started out in New York City, I believe. They have great burgers and even better French fries. I believe they were part of my first burger challenge here on the Las Vegas Strip. And unless it's over 100 degrees, I suggest you get your burger and shake and fries to go and come outside here and just enjoy the park. And by the way, I thought I'd mention that Eataly, one of my favorite places to eat and shop, is right next door at the Park MGM, just steps away. I also thought I'd mention, because it's a pet peeve of mine, the ivy on these arches to the entrance and exits of the park is artificial. Welcome to Las Vegas, where nothing is real. I have always said a good hat and face mask makes the man. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.